Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto India. This is your host Shiv. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Let's talk about Bitcoin Gold because we were expecting the Bitcoin Gold to fork today and we are expecting for our free Bitcoin Gold. So let's see what happens there. Did we get free Bitcoin Gold as yet or not? So as you can see here on their website, it was scheduled for about 5:36 today as per the Indian time. But as you can see on the website, it already shows that they have already initiated the fork. So this is what it says, that block 4914007 already reached, and the Bitcoin Gold will be available to the users on 1st of November. So as per this news, as you can see here, that Bitcoin Gold initiates hard fork splits, create a new cryptocurrencies, and this is about a couple of hours back, right? And then you have here saying that the new cryptocurrency network is aiming to be open to public by 1st November 1st. That is about 6 days from now. You will be able to see your Bitcoin Gold in your wallet. I don't know the exact procedure yet, and they haven't announced the exact procedure how to retrieve Bitcoin Gold. But however, this will be available from the 1st of November, and they'll be also coming out and letting us know as to how to retrieve your Bitcoin Gold. Will it be coming into the wallet automatically, directly, or do you actually have to expose your private keys, download their wallet, expose your private keys there? But of course, if you have kept it in the exchanges, like Bittrex was one of the exchanges which was supporting, and I think that was one which was supporting. So I think they would be giving to you Bitcoin Gold automatically, but not sure whether they'll be crediting to you Bitcoin Gold on that first day. I mean, they may take about 5 days or 10 days also at times. So the exact procedure of retrieving your Bitcoin Gold is not yet clear. We'll have to at least wait till 1st of November and to find out what exactly is the procedure. But we did spoke to you guys about the wallets and exchanges that are supporting. That is yesterday's video. So in case you have missed out, you can go ahead and check that videos, yesterday's video that I have made. So this is the price on the coinmarketcap.com. If you can see here, Bitcoin Gold is priced at $415, which is very surprising, which is higher than Bitcoin Cash. And well, it's good to know. I mean, I don't mind this price at all, but this is very surprising because we were not expecting the Bitcoin Gold price to be around $415. We were expecting it somewhere around below Bitcoin Cash, considering that it does not have as much support as Bitcoin Cash had. So, but this is very surprising. I'm sure, I think a lot of people are going to sell off as soon as they get access to their Bitcoin Gold, and probably convert them into their Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoins. I think the price will be dropping in once it gets listed on the exchange. That's just my assumption. So let's see how that works out. Of course, they have zero market cap right now. There is no circulating supply right now because they would be listing all these information on the 1st of November. Now, at the same time, when you look at the cryptocurrency market cap over here, let's have a cryptocurrency market cap right now. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin price. So as you can see, Bitcoin price has dropped below 6,000 after the fork. And I think this may also happen because a lot of people were actually selling their altcoins and other cryptocurrencies to get Bitcoin Gold. Now, since that already occurred, now a lot of people may decide to go back to their alternate currencies and other cryptocurrencies, and so resulting into sales of Bitcoin, and so that can result into such a price drop here. That's what I think. Let me know what's your opinion on that. Ethereum has finally crossed about $300 again, and you have Ripple at 20 cents, Bitcoin Cash at 323. So as you can see, the other fork of Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin Cash, as per the current price, it's lower than the Bitcoin Gold, which is very surprising and shocking. And you can see Litecoin at $56. You have Dash at 295. So the biggest cryptocurrency that has gained right now is this, which is Stellar Lumens, fork of Ripple, 23% growth. And And then you have this, the BAT token, basic attention token, which is grown by 21%. So that's about cryptocurrency market. Let's have a look at the other fork. So Coinbase tweeted earlier about their take on the Bitcoin fork, like Bitcoin Gold and Segwit both. So let's have a look at what is happening with Segwit 2x, because there's one more fork coming in. And so it's too much of free money. You have Bitcoin Cash as free money, now you have Bitcoin Gold as free money, now you'll have Bitcoin 2x as free money. So let's have a look at what Coinbase has to say. So the Bitcoin Segwit 2x, let's read that. The Bitcoin Segwit 2x is projected to take place on 16th of November, which is just about 20 days from now. Will temporarily result into two Bitcoin blockchains following the fork. And so the current blockchain would be, they would call it as BTC right now, and the other forked one would be called as Bitcoin 2x, which is will be listed as B2x. So this is something that you can keep in mind to prepare yourself for B2x. So remember, there is one more free money coming in on your way if you're holding Bitcoin. So rather don't sell your Bitcoin as yet, or if you are if you are thinking of doing so, again, that's completely your decision. So any customer with a BTC balance on Coinbase at the time of the fork will be credited with an equal amount of B2X assets on Bitcoin 2X blockchain. So this is the Coinbase exchange, guys. This is one of the first exchange, or probably most popular exchange of US, where you can also use it as a wallet, I believe. But if you keep your Bitcoin on Coinbase, as on the fork day, you will be getting equal number of Bitcoin Segwit, which is B2X. There's no confirmation whether you'll be getting Bitcoin Gold, because they had mentioned that earlier as well. But they have clearly confirmed about B2X, which is Bitcoin Segwit. So as you can see here, no action is required. You don't have to do anything. We will automatically credit your account. So if you have 5 Bitcoin stored on your Coinbase before the fork, you will have 5 Bitcoin and 5 Bitcoin X B2X following the event. This is amazing. I'm very excited for this, at least, because this is going to be another free money. So here is the information. So basic 2x timeline, approximately 24 hours pre-fork. Coinbase will temporarily disable all Bitcoin buying and selling and sending services. So remember, we are talking about B2X now. Of course, I'll make a separate video for Segwit 2X, but just to know a little bit what is happening there in future. And so within 24 hours of the fork, when you visit the coinbase.com, open your Coinbase app, you will see new Bitcoin and Bitcoin 2x balance in both. So this is interesting. So be prepared for that. So just in case you had a question whether the Segwit 2x is supported by Coinbase, yes, they are supporting Segwit 2x, and they have come out and openly told, and also they have given the procedure of how to retrieve your Bitcoin 2x. You don't have to do anything. You just have to keep your Bitcoin in Coinbase, and they will automatically credit the Segwit 2x Bitcoin into your wallet. And once we have ensured that the blockchains are stable, Coinbase will re-enable Bitcoin and Bitcoin 2x sends and receives. So that will take about 24 to 48 hours. You can start doing the transaction. This is about Bitcoin Gold. So the Bitcoin Gold fork is projected to take place, which has already happened. At the point, your account will be created with an account equal to balance at the time of the fork. So it seems they are also supporting Bitcoin Gold, but yesterday they were not very clear on this, but I think finally they have started supporting Bitcoin Gold. So good to know information. As you can see, we discussed this yesterday. The Yobit exchange, Bitcoin exchange, they are trading Bitcoin Gold at about 0.079118994 BTC, which is around 420 Bitcoin. Now this is the Bitcoin Gold futures is what they are trading, not Bitcoin Gold, because that's going to be available from 1st of November. Another news here that says that the one of the Wall Street, the famous personality from Wall Street, says that most of the ICOs right now are scam, ICOs are the biggest scam ever, will lead the disaster to. Of course, there are a few scams. I would agree with that. Not all of them, because there are some great ideas. There are some great projects which are being built on blockchain, and there are some really true decentralization happening. So not all of them are ICOs. ICOs are scam, but yes, there may be few, because there are too many right now. So just in case, if you are participating in ICOs, this is something that you should definitely go through once to check out what is real, what is not. Right. Another news is that, as you can see here, the Bitcoin is selling at about 9,500 US dollar in Zimbabwe. So as you can see on the coinmarketcap.com, it's about 5,600, but in Zimbabwe they are selling at 9,500 US dollar here. As you can see here, this is the exchange analysis local platform. Golix.io is the local exchange. As you can see here, the selling price is 9,380 and the buying price is 9,500 US dollar, guys. So if you're getting it at $5,600, that's like almost half of what they are selling it in Zimbabwe. And this also goes to show that this may be the potential next price for Bitcoin. So the situation in Zimbabwe is not really good, because as you can see here, one of the economists says that the problem is the exact opposite of what it was during the hyperinflation. There was plenty of cash money, but there was no goods in the shops. Now there are goods on the shelves, but there's no money to buy them with. And most of the transaction in Zimbabwe and Venezuela are happening with Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin, then you can buy and sell things. There are only few people who are ready to accept your local cryptocurrencies. Another news which is very opposite to what we saw in Zimbabwe, the banks in UK, they have refused to support any trading platform, cryptocurrencies trading platform here. So as you can see here, they say the UK crypto companies forced to bank elsewhere. They're saying that we will not be supporting. You can bank with some other banks in some other company here. Here, companies that deal in cryptocurrencies or even handle the digital assets are being shunned by a traditional banking system in the United Kingdom. This is forcing many of these companies to go offshore for their banking needs. I'm not sure how far is this news true, because otherwise we have seen that UK banks have been supporting exchanges and other cryptocurrencies companies, but this is a very shocking news here. And yeah, this may has many banks, especially in Wall Street, US, steering clear that they are also stating fear surrounding the digital currency being heaven for fraudsters and criminals. Nobody will give us a bank account in UK. So this is the news, very sad news though. This is only coming out from UK. I'm not really sure how far is that true, but I think there'll be something definitely that the banks and the government will be doing to resolve this issue as soon as they can, if there is a real issue like this. So, but something to consider of. I mean, you can go ahead and check the news yourself and see what exactly is happening. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know if you have any question or comment. Put that in the comment box below. Do let me know, do you also think the Bitcoin gold price would be coming down from 400 US dollar? And what are your plans once you get your Bitcoin gold in your wallet? Are you going to sell it or are you going to keep it? Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you have not, and I will see you in my next video.